Hi guys, welcome back to X and Yung. So today, just going to talk about where the market is heading. As you know, the stock market is crashing, crypto market is crashing. When all these type of assets, right, paper assets or digital money, currency assets are falling, where does the money go to? Obviously, a lot of people are selling their assets. That's why the stock market is crashing and also the crypto market is crashing. Now, where do you think this money, huge amount of money, is going to? This is my opinion, okay? So, people are putting money into property, right? Because there are no other assets that, come close to the amount of safety net that we can get because of this rising in prices, cost of inflation, and rising in interest rates. The only asset class that is tried and trusted, which is property. There is a newly launched property called Piccadilly Grand, and it's 77% sold out, right? 77% sold in a weekend. So that is super crazy. It's like 300 plus units, over 400 units sold over a weekend. So that is how hot the property market is right now. I also have the opportunity to go to a property masterclass. This was selling UK property. It's in Birmingham, and it's not even London, okay? It's just Birmingham. It's a city like 2 hours away from London. And I tell you, the response is crazy. People are buying, man. People are buying property. Even on that day alone, the whole block of that property, about how many units? 70 units, all gone. People just purchase it. People just go and buy it. So the property market is very hot in a sense that people have a lot of cash and can purchase property. So obviously the property prices are going up. So this is your chance, your opportunity, and just take it. That's all guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next week.